Is this pullback right here valid? I want to hear from you guys. Some are saying yes, some are saying no. Now, let's check if this pullback is valid. Now, this was our high. We label it as what? Swing high. This was our low. We label it as what? Swing low, right? This was our breakout. We label this as what? Break of structure. Now, after a breakout, we want to see what? A pullback. After a breakout, we want to see what? A pullback. Now, let's check. We have 3 pullback rules. We have 3 pullback rules. Can you guys mention the pullback rules? We have 3 pullback rules. Can you guys on the comment section? We have 3 pullback rules. Can you name them? We have 3 pullback rules. Kindly name them on the comment section. I believe I've taught you guys, so if you're my student, you should know this by now. Alright, kindly name the 3 pullback rules. Now, listen guys, if you are joining us for the very first time, this is one of the best community on TikTok where we take our time to do top-down analysis using market structure, a time frame, alignment. Then on all of this, we classify all the things you have learned in years. We group them into market structure and time frame alignment. One, market structure shows you the direction of the market. Time frame alignment shows you the time frame you should trade and the other time frame for you to get confirmation from the key level. It's simple. All you need to understand market structure and you see how everything starts aligning. Now, if you are getting value from what we do right here, make sure you click that follow right now. Follow right now because you might not see us again on your FYP. Okay, so let's continue. Right? Okay, so the next thing we do is check if this pullback is valid. Now remember, we have 3 pullback rules. Number 1 is pullback by 3 candles. Pullback by 3 candles. So let's check. Do we have up to 3 candle pullback here? Do we have up to 3 candle pullback here? Anybody? Okay, let me use another word. Do we have up to 3 rejection candle here? When we say rejection candle, these are blue candles. Rejection candle are sell black candles. Do we get up to 3 rejection candle here? Some are saying yes, some are saying no. Now let's verify it. This is the first sell candle. This is the wick. This is where it stopped, right? After this sell candle, which other sell candle closed with a body below this one? Which other sell candle closed with a body below this low here? If we look clearly, we can see that it's the third one. Thank you. It's the third one. So this is the third one low right here. Now, do you see? Did we get another close after this 1, 2? Did we get another second close below this one? No, there is no second close below this one. So this simply means that we have only 2 rejection candle. We have only 2 rejection candle. Every other rejection candle is inside these 2 candle. Every other rejection candle is inside this candle, right? So the next thing we do is we check pullback by 50%. Pullback by what? 50%. So let's check. Let's check. Let's check with our Fibonacci 2. So we draw our Fibonacci 2 from this low to this high. Now, do you see? Is this pullback up to 50%? Is this pullback up to 50%? No, it is not up to 50%. It now means that this, in terms of fib level, this pullback is not up to 50%. Okay, now let's check another one. Let's check another one, which is pullback by candle, pullback by structure. Did we get pullback by structure here? Did we get pullback by structure here? Everybody? Anybody here? Did we get pullback by structure here? So this to tell you means that this is not a valid pullback. According to all our pullback rules, this one does not qualify. So we are not going to reason this as a pullback. Rather, we are going to see this as eternal structure. So we mark key levels where we are expecting buyers to come in. This is number 1. We are still going to mark this one too. This is number 2. Okay. Then any other key level? Do you see any other key level around here that you need us to take note of? Okay. Okay. So say, please, may you respect that pullback of F. All right. So this is another one here. Fair value gap. There are 2, so we group them into 1. There are 2, so we group them into 1. So at this level in future, we'll be expecting price to react from this level in future. If price come back to this level, we'll be expecting what? Reactions. Buyers to come in from this level, which we too are going to be buying from. All right, now, after a breakout, what do you want to see? So what this means is that this is our new high. Excuse me. This is our new swing high here. All right. So we label this as swing high. Now, if this is, let's remove this. Okay. Then let's put this one here. If this is our high, this is our low, and this is our breakout, what do we want to see next? What do we want to see next? Is pullback, right? We want to see what? Pullback next. The next thing we want to see is pullback. So now, looking at 4 hour here, is there a valid 4 hour structure here? What do we have here? In using 4 hour, what do we have here? Let's see if there's anything here. Are you seeing it? So this is failure to swing high. This is failure to what? Swing high. Then it gave us what? A shift. Failure to swing high. It gave us what? A shift. So this is now eternal structure. This is eternal structure. Now, what is going... Okay, let me ask you guys. What is going on right now? This movement coming down now, what do we call them? What do we call this move going down now? What do we call it? Is pullback? Thank you. So what is currently going on right now is pullback. Is pullback. Very clear, very neat. What is going on right now is pullback. All right. Now, if you cannot see this structure clearly now by using 4 hour, if you cannot see the structure clearly, what do you do next? If you cannot see the structure clearly now, what do we do next? We drop to 1 hour. Now, do you see how 1 hour comes in? You drop to what? 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is where you see the structures very clean. All right, what we had here is double top that gave us what? Market structure shifts. After we've gotten the shift, we want to see what? Pullback. right? Now, at what levels do we want to see pullback? Anybody? At what level do we want to see pullback? Key levels. So that brings us to what? Breaker block. Now, do you see? That brings us to what? Breaker block, right? After breaker block, then we look for what? Extreme order block. Now, do you see? These are the main key levels we want sellers to come in. Now, what happened here? What do we call this move here? What do we call this move here? Anybody? This is pullback and continuation. Pullback and what? Continuation. So we label this as BOS. Now, to see this clear, to see this movement clear, we now drop to what? 15 minutes. We now drop to what? 15 minutes. Now, that is your analysis. So this is breakout, pullback, and what? Breakout. Do you see now? Do you see? All right. Now, if I want to still sell, because I believe sellers are in this market already, I believe some people are selling already. So let's check out where we be right to sell. In respect to 15 minutes, this is the high here. So we label it as swing high. This is the low here. We label this as swing low, right? If I want to sell, listen carefully. If I want to sell, this is the only place I want to sell from. And if I'm going to sell, I will not sell blindly. I will not sell blindly. I must wait for a lower time frame confirmation. I must wait for what? Lower time frame confirmation. If I must sell from this zone, my stop loss will be above here, then target 1:3. Now, do you see? But I must get a lower time frame confirmation for me to sell. Except you want to be what? A Sadiq. Except you want to be a Sadiq, you can sell blindly. But if you don't want to be a Sadiq, wait for confirmation. Now, what time frame do you want to get the confirmation from? Anybody? What time frame do we want to get the confirmation from? This is 15 minutes. If we want to go lower to get confirmation, which time frame do we go down to? Now, do you see? We go down to what? 1 minute. We go down to what? 1 minute. Now, let's drop to 1 minute. You see what is happening right here. Now, do you see what is going on here? Do you see what is going on here? Do you see what is going on here? In 1 minute. Do you see what is going on right here? Are you seeing it? So on 1 minute, the pullback has started. Guys, I just don't know how to make you understand this. I just don't know how to make you understand this. See, you see this change of character has a lot. This change of character I keep telling you to use. What do we have? What do we call this? What do we call this? For those that really have experience when it comes to trading. What do you call this? Accumulation, ranging, accumulation, ranging. Okay? Accumulation, ranging. Now, what do we call this? What do we call this? Anybody? Manipulation, manipulation. What do we call this? What do we call this? Distribution. Now, do you see? That is why I am telling you guys, the strategy I'm giving you covers liquidity manipulation. You don't need liquidity and manipulation. You don't need to stress yourself about them because the strategy I am giving you covers for them. The strategy I'm giving you has it all. Are you seeing it? The strategy I am giving you here covers all this thing. You don't need to stress yourself looking for accumulation, distribution. You don't need it. Just wait for market structure shift. And market structure shift has all you are looking for. Market structure shift have all you are looking for. Now, let's try with market structure shift. What is this? 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 And what is this? Is this not the shift? Is this not the market structure shift? Why do you have to bother yourself trying to learn the whole thing in this market when I put together the simple things that can help you understand this market easily? When I put together simple tools that can help you understand this market easily. Guys, this is just too good to be true. This is just too good to be true. Now, look at this. What do you call this level? What do you call this level? Yeah, neat, clear, and clean. Simple. What do we call this level here? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So this is what? Breaker block. After the breakout, price pull back to breaker block and take off. Are you seeing it? You will not always get deeper pullback. Sometimes price will use the breaker block and goes. Guys, this thing is simple. It is simple. You don't need too much grammar. All those inducements, battlements, engineering liquidity, mechanic liquidity, biology liquidity, all those things are the reasons why you are struggling to get entry in this market. All those things, decisional, indecisional, simple market structure is what I put together to help you. No need for uncoument, area of concentration, area of what they call it, evaporation, area of COVID-19, area of malaria. You don't need malaria in this market. Simple market structure, snake and shadow. You don't need Tinubu, you don't need Buhari here. Simple market structure. There is nothing like evaporation of liquidity or evaporation of inducement. They are big grammar, simple market structure and time frame alignments. And you are good. And you are good. This thing works every day across all pairs and currency. This thing happens every day across all pair and can I disrupt you a bit? Oh, disruptor, ngwa disrupt. Disruptor, ngwa disrupt. You see, they don't bring grammar. Can I disrupt you a bit? Can I disrupt you a bit? Ngwa, disruptor. I don't send you request. Disrupt.
Yes. Thank you very much. All right.
You
Number
want
one, I
to
have to thank you.
disrupt me?
Number two.
Ngwa, continue.
All right. There's a scenario which you have just covered, and I didn't understand it well. On the area of where we want to receive a confirmation, maybe on a fair value gap on the order block. So on the fair value gap, there's something I just noticed. You say the one we have a 50%.
Or this time frame.
On the key values, majorly on the fair value gap.
Yes.
So you say number one, we use 50%. Number two, we have whereby the three candle closes. So my concern was on this area of internal fair value gap. I didn't understand it well. I don't know whether you can assist me there.
Where did you hear any of internal fair value gap?
Back up there, I was trying to communicate, but it reached you really well. So just assist me kindly.
Where? You mean on
Before
this
the,
chart
before
or what
yes, on
time
that
frame?
chart, on the left side, before the change of the character up there.
On 4 hour, is it this place?
Actually, yes. Actually, yes. Now on just no. Just on
Let me get your time frame first. What time frame was that? What time
go to
frame?
go to 15 minutes time frame. It will be clear, more clear there.
Okay.
And now expand it. Then
Which
before we go
area do
to
you want
change
me
of
to
character,
expand? Which area do you want me to expand? Here, or
oh,
here?
okay, for a simple area whereby the market is testing the internal fair value gap. You mentioned something like closure of three candles above. That is where I want to understand best.
Okay, that is pullback rules,
Yes,
pullback
yes,
rules.
yes. Pull back on the three line candle which closes above that area.
Okay, that one is for students. Eh? You want me to teach
Okay,
it? I
okay.
cannot teach it. It's for students.
All right. Then another thing I just noticed. Are you seeing that currency? Yesterday I do the analysis and I noticed something. You say that we should use 4 hours and 15 minutes for confirmation, but yesterday 4 hours was not giving that structure and 15 minutes was noisy. So right now I just realized that you are using 1 hour, which bring the clear structure. So I suggest maybe next time we can also include 1 hour time frame to view the structure well.
No, I cannot include it.
Okay.
Yeah, there are rare occasions. There are rare occasions where I include it, but I cannot tell you here.
Because yesterday it's really disturbed me a lot. 4 hours was not bringing the structure, and 15 minutes was so noisy. And by the time you're opening this, I realized that I don't know whether you open on 1 hour time frame and it break a clear structure on the pullback of the 15 minutes candles rejection.
Now, that is an information for students. All right?
Okay.
That is an information for my students, not for
Thank you very
everybody.
much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I see your
May you be
gift.
blessed.
Thank you very much. That's why I brought you up.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's continue. So, in respect to Euro USD, this is what we are looking for. All right, women. No woman is coming. No woman is coming here today. No woman is coming up today. Which other pair do you want us to analyze? Let's go. Which other pair do you want us to analyze? Drop it on the comment section. Which other pair do you want us to analyze? Okay. Which other pair do you want us to analyze? Okay. All right. Majority is going for gold, so let's go to gold. Gold have it, and the gold traders have it. Okay. Now, let's analyze gold to see what is currently going on right here on gold. All right. Now, if you are joining for the very first time, do wait to follow right now because you might not see us again on your FYP. Right here, we take our time to give you top-down analysis and show you key levels to get high probability setup. So if you are getting value, click there. If you are getting value, click follow right now. And do wait to like, share, and repost and gift if you are touched to gift. All right, thank you very much. Now, to analyze gold, what is our first rules? We want to analyze gold. What is our first rules? I see your gift, guys. James, thank you. First thing first, we clear our chart. To analyze any pair, number one rule is clearing our chart. I see your gift. Thank you very much for that gift. Wow, who is gifting me this? Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you very much. All right, let's continue, guys. Now, after clearing our chart, what do we do next? Guys, I see your gift. I do appreciate. Thank you very much. After clearing our chart, what do? We drop to what? Daily time frame. We drop to daily time frame. On dropping to daily time frame, we want to find out the direction of the market. We want to know where is price coming from and where price is going to. So if you can see clearly, this is where the sell started on daily time frame. Okay, so let's start our analysis from there. All right, now we can see here, Ralph, I see your gift. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you, guys. I do appreciate. You guys are doing well. All right, thank you for the heart. Now, let's go. This is what? A breakout, right? This is what? A pullback, right? Then we expect price to break out, continue going up. Instead of going to the upside, we got what? A shift to the downside. Now, this shift to the downside, what do we call it? We got a candle close below that low there. This becomes our high, swing high. This becomes our new low, swing low. Okay, thank you. So what this means is failure to swing high. Failure to swing high gave us what? Market structure shift, which we call reversal. Market structure shift simply means what? Reversal. The price is changing direction. Originally, it was buying, right? Then it gave us failure to swing high, then reverse to the downside. This reversal is what we call market structure shift or change of character. Now, immediately we get it, we mark the high, we mark the low. What do we want to see next? Yes, what do we want to see next? After we've gotten what? The market structure shift, which is a break to the downside. What do we want to see next? We want to see what? Pullback and what? Continuation. We want to get what? Retest and continuation. Another word for pullback is called retest. Another word for pullback is called retest. Price action traders use the word retest. Market structure traders, we use what? Pullback, right? So we want to see what? Pullback and what? Continuation, which is also retest. Another word, retest. Okay, so we mark the new high, we label it as what? Swing high. We mark the new low, we label it as what? Swing low, right? Swing low. Now, after the break of this low, after price have broken this low, what do we call the low? After we've gotten a break of this low, what do we call the low? This now becomes what? Break of structure. This now becomes what? Break of structure, meaning that the market is trending to the downside. Follow, I'm going somewhere. Anytime you see market structure shift, it means that the market is changing direction. Then anytime you see break of structure, it means that the market is trending to a particular direction. So at this point, we have this as our high, we have this as our low. After we've gotten these two, What do we want to see next? We've gotten the breakout. What do we want to see next? Anybody? What do we want to see next? Guys, if you are getting value from what we are doing right here, make sure you click on follow right now. Click on follow because you might not see us again on your FYP. Right here, we take our time to simplify market structure and show you how easy it is to read the direction of the market. Then at the end, we show you key levels to get high probability setup. So if you are getting value right now, make sure you are following us. All right, so the next thing we want to get is what? Pullback and what? Continuation. Pullback and what? Continuation. All right. Someone say, I like the way you talk slowly. So this becomes what? Our high. We label it as what? Swing high. This becomes our low. We label it as what? Swing low. Right? So this is, let's go. All right. No. This is our high. This is what? Our low. Now, after we've gotten our high and our low, what do we want to see next? This becomes what? Break of structure. Now, you see this high here? This becomes what? Our protected high. This becomes what? Our protected high. Okay? Sound like TB Joshua assets. I beg you. All right, so this was our breakout, right? After the breakout, we want to see pullback. Now, you see this high here? Price did not respect this high. Price violated this high by closing above it. That closure above this high is what we call breakout. And that breakout, what pattern of breakout is this? Anybody? What pattern of breakout is this? It's called what? Market structure shift, right? This pattern of breakout here is market structure shift, which is what? A reversal again, which is what? A reversal. That reversal is telling us that, look, oh, I am about to change direction. Look, oh, I am about to change direction. So if you were looking for sell before, now you will start looking for what? Buys. Are you seeing it? If you are looking for sell before, now you will start looking for buys, meaning that the market has reversed from what? Bearish to what? Bullish. All right. So at this point, we start looking for what? Buy level. We start looking for what? Buy key levels. So that brings us to this level here. Okay. That brings us to which other level do we want to buy from daily? Excuse me. Which other level would we want to buy from daily? Anybody? Fair value gap. Thank you. Fair value gap. Now, in respect to daily time frame, these are the two buy zone. These are the two zones we want to what? Buy from, right? These are the two zones we want to buy from. Now, looking at this market right now, what do you want to do? What are we expecting to happen next? Anybody? Looking at this market right now, what do we expect to happen next? Now, do you see? Do you see the comment section? Do you see the comment section? What do we expect to happen next? Is pullback, because price has broken to this high. It has not given us a pullback. So we want to see a pullback into any key level. Now, this is also another key level right here. This is another key level. So we want to see what? A pullback into any of what? Our key level. Right? Wait, is this the last week of this month? Is this the last week of this month? Guys, is this the last week of this month? Away, that means if this is the last week of this month, I am expecting news to pull price back. I'm expecting news to give us a pullback. That is what I'll be expecting if this is the last week of this month. Okay, after this month, NFP will be next month. All right, I'll be expecting NFP to pull back or for this market to pull back to any of this level before NFP will come and continue pushing it to the upside. All right, so we want to see a pullback to any of these key level. Now, after this, what do we do next? Okay, there is core CPI. Okay, core CPI. All right. Anything I'm seeing here should be bearish. Anything I'm seeing here should be bearish or price will come to this high here, sweep this high and sell. All right, so now we are intraday traders. We are intraday traders. We are not swing traders. So after we've gotten our structure on daily, key level on daily, direction on daily, we want to come down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, we want to get what? The direction of the market on 4 hours for us to trade, right? Now, on 4 hours, the first thing we do is what? We look for the trend on 4 hour. We look for the structure on 4 hour. Now, on 4 hour right here, what is our structure? What is our structure? Anybody? What is our direction right here of 4 hours? So this becomes the high, right? Village people, okay. This becomes the low, okay. Then this becomes what? The breakout. Now, are you seeing it? BOS, all right? Clearly. Now, are you seeing it? So this is our structure of 4 hours. 4 hour is what? Bullish. Now, at this point, what do we do next? At this point, what do we do next? We can see 4 hour is bullish. It is a buy market. We want to do what? Join the buyers, but we cannot join buyers here because price is at oversold level. So what do? We start marking key levels where we are expecting buyers to come in. That brings us to this level. That brings us to this level. This is one of the level we are expecting buyers to come in. Mr. AB, I speak. All right, this is one of the level we are expecting buyers to come in. Which other level are we expecting? Fair value gap. Thank you. We are expecting buyers to come again from what? Fair value gap, right? Now, do you see? Now, is there any other level you're expecting buyers to come in? Is there any other level you're expecting buyers to come in? This is one other level. So these are the 3 key levels where we want to join buyers to buy. These are the 3 key levels we want to join buyers. Do you see now? But right now, price is overbought. We've gotten what? A breakout. What do we expect to happen next? What do we expect to happen next? Anybody? Gosh, thank you. We want to see what? Pull back. We want to see what? Pull back to any of these key level. Guys, there is nothing more to it. This is just how simple it is to read direction of the market and to get back your setup. Right here, we want to buy from here. If we see buy formation, we buy. Right here, we want to buy. If we get buy formation, we buy. Right here, we want to buy. If we get buy formation, we buy. But right here now, we be looking for sell. That is what brings us to what? Pull back, shakener. Now, how you trade the pullback is now up to you. How you trade the pullback is now up to you. All right, I will not go lower than this. If I'll be going lower than this, should be for my students. All right, now I am done here. I am done here. I am done here. Send a request. Let's talk. If you want me to bring you up, send a request. If you have any question about market structure and what I've just taught you guys, send me a request. Let's talk. If you want to learn how to trade this pullback, join the inner cycle. Yes, so someone said, what about 15 minutes? You can go to your 15 minutes. You already have a strategy. So use your strategy. You can go to your 15. You already have a strategy. You can all right. FX Francis, how are you doing?
I'm good, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. What do you have for us this morning?
So first of all, I want to thank you for your analysis. You are doing a good job for us, sir. Thank you so much. So my question is from that Euro USD,
Mm-hmm.
from time frames. Sir, in that 15 minutes, you marked our key level. You said that if you want to trade the pullback, we can go to 1 minute. So if we have a market structure shift in 5 minutes, is it also valid?
If you say on 5 minutes, it's also valid.
Yes.
Why? But you might not get on 5 minutes. That's why you go to 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay. That's all. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Now, okay. Listen, if you are joining for the very first time, if today is the first time you are following me, or you are following me and you are not yet on my Telegram, see, you are missing a lot. Click this link right here. It will bring you to this place. On this page, click this one and join Telegram. Click this link and join Telegram because that is where I release important information and I also send updates before coming live. If you don't get notification of when I come live, join Telegram. On Telegram, I always drop a notification of when I'll be coming live so that you too will not be missing my live. Make sure you join Telegram. Then if you are joining for the very first time, make sure you click follow right now. Follow me right now. All right. Okay, let's continue. All right. Mr. Francis, I'm done with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, legend, let's hear from you. Someone say very humble mentor with good intention. Thank you for that. Let's go. All right, it seems there's not much going on here. There is no much going on here. I'll be leaving you guys so that I can go rest my head and come back. Listen, if you are struggling to understand structures, if you are struggling to understand what we are doing right here, all you simply need to do is join my mentorship for the month of September. All right. Enrollment is already on for the month of September, and very soon it's likely going to fill up. Once we get in the required numbers, I will shut it down. So if you're interested, you want me to mentor you, you want me to teach you.